have to have someone over that process. You have to have the right strategic framework for that process, right? So let's say that you have those two pieces. You have someone over insights, you have the strategic framework. I think that the three things that are really, really important, we just talked about one of them. You have to have the right people involved in each part of the process. It's complex. You have different people involved in different parts of the processing, but you have to have the right people. It's making sure that we're presenting the insights to the right people. Everyone does it differently, but in my experience, again, you can't just send it out, right? You have to have that discussion. And I think another thing is feedback and reassessment. You have to ask those people that are at that fund meeting, the people that are hearing your insight, what's working, what's not working, what else? What do you think about this? Is this meeting too long? Is it too short? Do I need to do it more frequently, less frequently? You have to get feedback. If it's not valuable to them, guess what? They're not going to come. They're not going to show up, right? Just like they wouldn't read a document, they're not going to show up. You have to get that feedback, and you have to get the feedback for the MSLs too, right? So just 360 feedback from everybody, reassess and change what you need to change. And then like we talked about before, the third one, follow up and show the results and impact of the insight. You have to follow up and you have to be able to show the impact. It breaks my heart, Scott, how many people I talk to, they go through 90% of the process, right? All the time, all the effort, all the money, and then it just dies at the presentation. Or even if they discuss it, no one follows up. They never get value, or they never get a credit for the insights that they're bringing to the table. So don't stop at 90%, follow up and make sure leaders are showing the results and the impact of your insight.